Your plumber will never tell you this hidden secret because it would literally put them out of business. And honestly, I was completely shocked the first time I saw this in action. Forget wasting your hard-earned money on expensive chemical products or paying for overpriced service calls ever again. Let's start by grabbing a medium-sized bowl. We are going to combine a few very common kitchen ingredients that, when mixed together properly, become far more powerful than any toxic store-bought solution you could ever buy. First, add exactly 4 ounces of liquid dish soap. It can be any brand or any scent you have. Just choose the one you prefer. Next, add 1 large tablespoon of salt. I am using coarse sea salt because it dissolves slowly and increases the internal scrubbing power. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now for the true key player, 4 ounces of white vinegar. As soon as that vinegar enters the mix, the entire solution starts to activate at a molecular level. Combined with the salt and the dish soap, it forms a potent solution that penetrates deep buildup and attacks residue hidden inside your drain. Stir everything thoroughly until the mixture turns slightly cloudy. That change in color is the signal that it's fully combined and ready to be deployed. Now let's put it into action immediately. If you've ever dealt with a slow draining sink, you know exactly how frustrating it is. Maybe it's hair, grease, or food scraps causing the blockage. Normally people reach for those harsh chemical drain cleaners or even spend hundreds calling a plumber. But not today. Start by removing as much standing water as possible from the sink area. The drier the drain opening is, the better this hack works. Now grab a very generous amount of baking soda and pour it directly into the drain. Baking soda is going to interact with our secret mixture in a way that's both safe and incredibly effective. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now take the solution we just prepared and slowly pour it right on top of the baking soda. Watch closely. You'll hear a loud fizzing sound and see foam start to rise. That's the chemical reaction happening right before your eyes, breaking down grease, dissolving grime, and loosening all the nasty buildup that's been stuck in your pipes for months. Here's the most important part. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Don't rush it. The longer you wait, the deeper it penetrates. This is when the magic truly happens. After waiting, it's time for the final step. Fill your sink with very hot water. Let the sink fill almost to the top, creating as much water pressure as possible. Then, quickly release the water in one go. Watch closely as the water rushes down. You'll immediately notice the difference. That powerful flow is not just water. It's carrying away all the grease, grime, and buildup that was stuck inside your pipes. Now take a closer look at your sink. The water should be draining faster, smoother, and without that annoying backup. This is exactly the result most people pay a lot of money for, but you just did it yourself in minutes. If you want to go one step further, you can repeat this process once more for heavily clogged drains. Each time it goes deeper and clears even more hidden residue. And here's a small pro tip. Doing this once every 2 weeks can actually prevent clogs before they even start. That means no more slow drains, no bad smells, and no unexpected plumbing issues. Just imagine. No more wasting money on expensive chemicals, and no more emergency calls. Everything stays clean, fresh, and flowing perfectly. So next time your sink starts acting up, you already know exactly what to do. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. And if you found this helpful,